Hi guys, today I'm going to make lavender goat milk soap. This is the first soap that I made, and I would recommend this if you're a beginner because it's about the easiest soap that you could make. First, get all your materials ready. I recommend laying everything out ahead of time. It just saves you a lot of headache. So I put sodium hydroxide right in with the frozen goat milk. Mix that all up until it melts. I add it slowly, put a little goat milk, then I put in lye, then I put a little more frozen goat milk to cool it back down. And just keep going until it all melts. Don't worry, right now it looks orange, but once the product is all completed, it will change back to the creamy white color. I got these flower buds from Amazon. I did make 6. That was the first tray you just saw. I made 6 without any scent in it because I've been getting asked if I had any unscented, so I decided to make a few. Just hand mix in the lavender buds. Pour in the molds. And if you have any leftover, just pour it in any mold that you have laying around. I love these flower ones. These are actually my favorite. Thanks for watching.